What's going on everyone, hope you have a great day. So here I'm back on another video. I'm Surojit and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to try on another mineable coin, and this is about the SUBI network, which is now newly listed on the hashrate.no. and here we can see that the SUBI network, the algorithm is the ghostirder. The revenue, it's about 210 SUBI per 3060 card, and it's take 55 watt power, and the revenue before the electricity is about 0.32 cents, and after the electricity it's about 0.19 cents. And this is the overclock setting that they shared, that the medium overclock setting you can set as a co-op set is 250, and the locked core clock is 1500, and the mineable clock is 5000, and the power limit is 170. And also the recommended to choose as a Wildrig Miner, because this is for the ghostirder algorithm, so that's why Wildrig Miner is going to be the best option. And the total 2 exchanges is right now available as a SUBI to trade as a USDT or also as a Litecoin. First one is the ZX and the second one is the non-KYC, and right now on the ZX is the price is 0.0015, and for the non-KYC is right now it's about also the same is 0.0015. So this is the main website, it's our subinetwork.com. And SUBI Network combine public and private blockchain technologies to create unparalleled gaming experience based on virtual reality, and they have the own wallet. So if I click on the wallet section, they have the Windows wallet, Ubuntu wallet, so you can choose any of this. And this is the Explorer, that where you can get the masternode, Explorer, movement network, all the related section is provided on that, so you can check it out from there. And this is the GitHub site, and this is for the related, it's about SUBI release 1.1.2.4. the latest version is right now available for the smartnode and also for the Windows wallet. And this is the Discord site, that is about 1684 members is available, and this is for the Twitter, and right now it's our 1516 followers is available on the Twitter section. However, the price is going down, but this is I am mining for the bull run, because right now I am testing it on this coin and also mining for some days and hold this coin for the bull run, and I hope this will be perform very well. So SUBI network is a CPU based proof of work coin with the ghostirder algorithm, and it has many advantages and has a smart node in it. So if you choose as a CPU mining and you have the CPU, so you can get better revenue as a CPU mining, but I have GPU, so that's why I take as a GPU mining. Whatever the revenue is not bad for as a GPU mining. The coin details is that short form is a SUBI, reward is about 5000 max supply, and the block time it's about 2 minutes, and the smart collateral it's about 9 lakh SUBI. If you hit a blockchain, so you can get as a reward it's about 5000 SUBI. So this is the overall things in here. So this is based on the gaming blockchain. So SUBI is a blockchain gaming platform empowering gamers and developers, aiming to be the global standard for blockchain gaming and provide real value to gamers. So if I click on the roadmap, they shared the announcement launching mainnet and the listing some exchanges, and this is for the 2024 is the toolkit development and the SUBI toolkit for the 3D modeling, and this is for the Q2 listing on the major exchanges, and for the Q3 unreality game development and the continuous PR and advertising, and also the Q4 they will be work as a P2P marketplace on the multi-chain market and reality. So this is the basic details and the overall things in here, so you can read all the details before mining. And for as a GPU mining, I don't set this overclock setting in here, because on there if I choose this overclock setting, this is going to be crash for some time, so I don't choose this overclock setting as a Wildrig Miner. But you can choose as a SRB miner or as a XMD for the CPU mining, but I'm choosing the Wildrig Miner for the GPU mining, and my both 3060 card is generate the revenue it's about 210 per card. And for the pool I am using the rplant server pool in here, that here you can see it's our 16 address is available on there, the Zerg pool, Z pool, and some others is available on that, but I am choosing rplant server pool, and this is my Hiveos. And here you can see that the cursor hash is continuously mining and it goes fine. And right now I am using the SUBI as a ghostirder algorithm on my both 3060 card. For the wallet I am using the ZX exchange wallet, but I'm also create a Windows wallet in this video. So check out that how to create the Windows wallet and how to apply it on that. So on the wallet section, I just applied on there. Just click on that and it's downloaded on your system. And right now here you can see that I already downloaded it from there. I just extract it in there and I set this folder in here and select folder, extract on there. It's just extracting and this is done. So now we have to choose this option or this application. So just click on the details section, click on that. So for the Windows protected PC, choose on the more option and run anyway, and it's pop up as a Windows wallet. So use the default data directory from there. I click on the OK and it's just loading up. And right now here you can see that the theme is the light system default, and this is the basic details. I just save on that. I don't change anything from there and hide it on there, and this is done. So this is the overall settings in here, that how you can create the Windows wallet as a SUBI network. This is the send option, this is for the receive option, and I just click on the request payment, and this is my URI or the address. So I just copy my wallet address from there, just click on that and close. So this is done, and right now I am going to the Hiveos. So on the wallet section, it's just loading up. So on the add wallet, create as a SUBI. So if you not get the SUBI from there, create as a new coin SUBI, paste on your Windows wallet address, SUBI wallet address. I just set as a Windows and it's done. So I just refresh on that in here, and here we can see that the SUBI you can get is this for my ZX Exchange wallet and this for the Windows wallet. So now move on to the flight sheet, but we need a stratum ID because SUBI is not listed on there. So that's why we need a stratum ID, and I am using the rplant serverpool. So click on the SUBI in here and select SUBI Windows wallet pool configure in miner SUBI test. I set the name and select as a Wildrig Miner, and on the setup config file choose the hash algorithm as a ghostirder, wall.worker name from there, and the URL. Click on the rplant serverpool and select SUBI from there. Click on the connect button and in here choose on Wildrig Miner. So what I'm saying that you can choose as a XMD or the SRB miner. This is for the CPU mining, but for the GPU mining I am using the Wildrig Miner. Choose Linux or the Mac OS. Specific server I am choosing the ACS server. Uncheck the SSL version, and for the solo I am check on solo version. So many of my viewers is asking that how to create the solo stratum ID. So if you check on the SSL version, then this is for the SSL, and if you create as a solo version, just uncheck the SSL version, and on the solo version just tick on the solo and you get the stratum ID as a solo miner. So just copy on that stratum ID and copy, and on the flight sheet I just applied on there. Password choose as a X, and on the extra config argument I set the overclock setting on there. So I already applied, just I copy it from there. So this is my overclock setting. So the GPU memory clock is about 5000, GPU core clock is 1470, and the co-offset is 300. I just copy on that and paste it in here. So this is the basic settings in here. Apply on changes and create the flight sheet, and this is done. Now on the worker I just set the power limit option in there and auto fan speed option in there. So I just auto fan speed option in there. The minimum is 30 and the max it's about 70%, and for the overclock setting in here I only set the power limit for my both 3060 card. This is about 110 because on the hashrate.no recommended overclock setting, if I set this overclock setting, it's showing sometimes that one card is not mining, and also this is not the perfect overclock setting and it crashes. So that's why I choose the co-offset is about 300 for my 3060 card, and the locked core clock is 1500 the same, and the memory clock is also the same. And power limit if I set this 170, it's take around 125 to 30 watt, or also my V2 card is take around 110 watt. But if I set also the 110 watt on the direct overclock setting, then it also take 110 to 109 111 watt. This is not the reported or the actual watt that my both 3060 card is get, and the hash rate is take around 949 hash rate per watt. This is the medium overclock setting. So this is the overall done and the overall things in here, and here you can see that I just applied on there, just a rocket button. I just click on that and this is done. Now let's see that what is the hash rate I can get on my both 3060 card. So this is the live update on Hiveos that my both 3060 card is now mining Subie using the Zigix exchange wallet and also the custom pool, and this is for the rplant server pool, and the total hash rate it's about 1.165 kilo hash per second. And I said the direct overclock setting, and in here I said also the auto fan speed option in enabled in there that you can see, and the overclock setting I set around 110 for my both 3060 card. It's our V1 and V2 card. However, the V1 card is take more power, but I set the same overclock setting or the power limit on there. And on the flight sheet here we can see that on the extra config argument I said the overclock setting is our 5000 memory clock, and the core clock is 1470, and the core offset is 300, and the stratum ID and all the related documents is showing on there. So this is the overall update, and I get total it's about 2.407 kilo hash per second, and this is run on the ghostirder algorithm. And this is the overall settings, and the total power consumption is around 210 watt. So this is the basic settings in here. Now you can ask me that I set as a Windows wallet, but I show on as a Zigix wallet because I'm not using the Windows wallet, because this is going to be not to be easy, and I'm not getting any issue as a exchange wallet. So that's why I'm choosing the Zigix wallet, and this is going to be the best as a to hold some coins on my exchange wallet. So that's why I'm choosing the Zigix exchange wallet. But this is not the recommendation, but if you choose the exchange wallet there is no issue, but this is not the recommendation I applied. So you can choose as a Windows wallet, whatever you think and whatever you wish, you can set anything. And this is the overall settings and the overall update in here. So this is the basic settings on the SUBI network and all the related documents and the overall things I applied on there. So what did you think about this network or the SUBI network as a GPU mining or as a CPU mining? But if I click on as a CPU mining, so I make a flat sheet another for you, but this is not work for me because I have no any CPU as to mine as a SUBI network. So for the SUBI I said this is for the CPU mining, so I'm not saying you the live hash rate that what is the hash rate is going on. So I'm using the Zigix exchange wallet configured in miner SUBI CPU flat sheet, and for the miner I'm choose as a XMRig or you can choose as a SRB miner. So this is for the SRB miner. Choose as a ghostirder world, from there world.worker name, and the pool server I said the same, copy on this same stratum ID, paste on in there. Password choose as a X or you can choose as a blank in there. Don't set the disable CPU option. So if you choose as a CPU mining, so set as a disable GPU, apply on changes and create the flat sheet. And if you choose as a XMRig, so the same is this, just like change the miner is the XMRig, choose as a new, and on the setup config file choose the pool URL is from there, apply on there, and on the wallet section world.worker name, password you can choose as a worker name, and CPU uses set 1248. On the CPU configuration choose this one, CPU on, and this is done. But on there you can choose as a extra config argument is the donate, it's about 1. This is done. Apply on changes and create or update your flat sheet. Okay, so this is the basic settings that if you choose as a CPU mining, that you can choose as a XMRig or the SRB miner and set this settings from there that I applied. So just copy on that on your flat sheet. And if you choose as a GPU mining, then you can choose as a Wildrig Miner, that this is going to be the best, and this is the settings I applied on my flat sheet. So this is the overall things in here. Right now if I choose as a 4-hour chart, here you can see the price is can be goes, this is the price is that it can goes 177, is going up to 190, but this is for the bull run actually, so don't look out that the price, but you can choose to hold. And if I choose on the non KYC and choose as a 24 hours, and here you can see this is the price, because on the Zigix this is listed on the first time and then is listed on the non KYC, so the price on that it's of 0.9, so you can hold up as a 0.1 cents to $1, then you can sell it out. So this is the recommendation, not a financial advice. So this is the end of this video, and I just wrap up now, and comment in the below that what did you think about this coin as a GPU mining or as a CPU mining, or you wanna mine this coin. So let me know in the comment section that what did you think about this coin. And if you think that this video is going to be helpful for you, and there is a lots of videos available on my channel, so check out on this video and which video is going to be helpful for you and informative for you. Share this video to your friends and family to help them, and also motivated for me by like and subscribe to my channel. So have a great day. I will see you in the next one.